Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. So for this unboxing video, we're checking out this eye massager. So go over a couple features for you guys, and then we are going to get unboxing and show you guys what you get inside the box. All right guys, so air pressure, heat compression, vibration massage, music therapy, 180 degree folding, 107 degrees, remote control, and Bluetooth enabled. So let's see what's inside the box. All right, looks like they give you a little battery, a remote, and there's a charging cable that is hiding in the corner, so make sure you get it. And just to double check, nothing else is in the box. So let's get started here. Oh, you guys are gonna love this. Okay, first of all, it actually looks pretty cool. So it folds very nicely. Open it up, and that's what it looks like. It reminds me of some like high-tech VR headset. All right, so place it on. Oh, wow. Well, right away I can tell you guys, this is way more comfortable than any other eye massager I've reviewed in the past. Way more. I mean, we're talking way more comfortable. Adjustable strap, soft padding. So you actually do have some buttons on the front here, and so you press the button right here and it powers on. Oh, that's interesting. Whoa, it's automatic, guys. So it like automatically pushes against, and then it automatically pushes on another area under soft mode. Music is playing. So let's see here. And you just press the button to select different modes. You got sleep mode, and you press and hold the button to turn it off. Well, not sure, but we're just gonna power it on. Let's find it here. Press and hold. Yeah, so you could turn the volume up or down. You can play and pause the music. You can set the pressure with this. Very interesting. Okay, so you guys can turn the Bluetooth mode with this, and then you can connect to it with your phone. And you can... Okay, so you can set the pressure, and then you can also set the mode too. So there's tons of stuff you guys can do with this. Overall, very nice. They're definitely the nicest pair that I've reviewed. The nicest looking and the most effective. I mean, wow.